Okay, let's see how best we can solve this. Now with this, we can see that our R here can cancel the 3,000 here. So our 3 here. So this is where we have 24,000. This 24,000 to bracket 1 plus R 100. This is equal to my 3 cancel is of 1, cancel here, 1 here. So I'm having 2 into bracket 1,000. So this is 10,000 into bracket 1 plus 2R over 100. Yeah, over 100. So what next do we have? Now with this, we know that the 2 can equally multiply what is here. Okay, then we can cancel out fully. So I'm having 24,000 into bracket 1 plus R on 100, 1 plus R on 100. This is equal to 20,000. This is equal to 20,000, 1 plus 2R over 100. Okay, now we can see that what? We can see that over here, this is 20,000 and this is 24,000. So what can cancel over here? 4,000 can cancel quickly. All right. For you to simplify that, let's first divide through by 1,000. Okay. So let's first divide through by 1,000. So we divide through here by 1,000. Divide through here through by 1,000. That is 100 by 1,000. Okay. So what does that mean? The 3 here cancel the 3 zeros here. So you're left with 24 into bracket 1 plus R on 100. This is equal to 20 into bracket 1 plus 2R over 100. Okay. And what does this mean? This means that this is 24 and 20. We can still cross out, right? We can still cancel out. And here, 4 can cancel both sides. So let's do divide through by 4. Divide through by 4. 4 into 24 is 6 times. So 6, 1 plus R over 100. This is equal to what? 4 into here is 5 times. 1 plus 2R over 100. 1 plus 2R over 100. Okay. Now here we can still do some simple multiplication here. We can divide here to let 2 cancel the 100. All right. But let's first find a way of getting rid of our denominators. So we expand this bracket. We are having 6 plus 6R over 100. This is equal to 5 plus what? This is 10R. This is 10R over 10R because 5 multiplying 2R, you get 10R over 100. So let's multiply all the sides by what? 100, all right? So we multiply each side by 100. This is 6 plus 6R over 100. This is equal to 100. 5 plus what? 10R 100, okay? Okay, let's see what that is going to give us. So this is going to finally give us, this is 600. The 100 here will cancel this. So we are having what? 600 plus 6R. This is going to give you what? This is 500. 500 and the 100 here will cancel plus 10R. Plus 10R. Okay. And what is this? Let's group like terms. So we have 600 minus 500. This is equal to 10R minus what? 6R. And what is this? This is what? 100 is equal to what? 4R. Divide through by 4. Then our R is going to be 25. So it means that finally our R that was hidden is now found. So our R is what? 25.